Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good morning. Right. Today, we will discuss the demo on SalesForce. From this demo, you're going to understand. Yes, very good morning. From this demo, you are going to understand what is the meaning of SalesForce. The meaning of the SalesForce you're going to know from this demo. Okay, guys. Now you can see, before we start it, let me introduce myself. My name is Kishore. I'm having 13 years of experience on implementations of Salesforce implementations like Classic, Lightning, and LWC there. And in this training, you're mostly concentrating on the modules you can say administration, development, Lightning, and LWC. 4 modules. Got it? And you'll see here the meaning of Salesforce. What is Salesforce? That's the first thing that we are going to know. Okay. If you want to understand the meaning of the Salesforce, first we need to understand what are cloud computing technologies. Are you getting? If you understand the meaning of the cloud computing technologies, it's very easy to understand Salesforce, really. Okay. And before, if you want to understand cloud computing technologies, you need to understand what are legacy systems. What are legacy systems there? Correct, man? And if you understand the legacy systems, the drawbacks of the legacy systems, and after that you can understand why the cloud computing technologies came into existence, you can understand. Got it? We'll see first. What are the legacy systems? Legacy means old. Legacy means old. We can say that. Means that may be old application development system. We can say it here. Or we can say for example, I will tell you an example there on this legacy systems. In olden days, how the clients have used these legacy systems. For example, I will explain on softwares. I will explain on platforms, and even I will explain on infrastructures, or we can say servers or the storage areas. Okay, like this. Are you getting? Suppose in olden days, if any client, you can take any business client, okay, if the client willing to start their business, or if the client willing to continue their business, actually if it is a big business, we can say that if they have the big business implementations, actually they need to use softwares. If they want to use softwares here, right, they have to develop their own softwares in their company. Okay, it's a big headache actually there. It's cost effective, expensive if they want to develop their own softwares. Like you may ask me the question why it is high expensive there. Yes, exactly, because if they want to build any new softwares in their company to start their business implementations, actually first thing is that they need the setup is needed, right? The setup itself is a cost effective there. Okay, to do the setup, experts are needed. The client has to buy these experts from the other countries, right? Once the setup is done, okay, they need to go with the what we can say, they need to go with the we can have some business analysis, they need to go with here. Okay, and if they analyze the business process here, and after that they need to go with the design, right? Okay, once the design is done, they need to go with the what you can say implementation. So or we can say that they need to go with the development here. Okay, or once it is done, they need to go with the testing, staging, and finally the deployment. They can see it here, this final output, they can see it here, this. See, it's all are the cost effective, you can say it here. And even it is taking a longer time to do it here. Suppose finally, if they did it, if they got that result, okay, finally that output that may or may not suitable for their business process. Again, they need to make some changes in that. Okay, that is also that also will take the longer time even, right? So in such a way, in olden days, the softwares are used by the clients. Are you getting? But now at present, it's not like that. Entirely change. Okay, everything is ready-made actually, right? But in olden days, not like that. In the same manner, if you come to the platform, suppose I'm a client, I need to build some applications, and those applications I want to sell it to some other business entities. Okay, if I want to build those applications, I need a platforms. If I need a platforms, I need to interact with the vendors, the owners of the platform there, and I need to go there, and I need to take that platform, and I need to pay huge amount for that platform there, and after that I need to use it, and I need to start that business process. It's also a long process actually. Okay, and if you come to the servers part, if you come to the servers part, when servers are the storage, or you can say infrastructure. Okay, many names are there for this actually. Okay, or suppose if I want to store the data, how can I store the data there in olden days? I can store in my local machines, like we can say the laptops, desktops, pen drives, floppies. Are you getting? And the local servers, if they establish any servers in the company, that we can say the local servers there, right? If anything happens, okay, if the server is crashed or your local machine is crashed there is a chance of losing your data there, right? A crash will happen to data also there is. Are you getting? If it is important data, if it is a business data, okay, definitely the client is going to get loss. Are you getting? To overcome these situations, are you getting? Like we can say the time and the expenses. Are you getting or not? And what we can say, we cannot, we generally we need to carry each and everything there here from one place to another place. Definitely there. Okay. So to overcome these situations, okay, to overcome the situations of the legacy systems, cloud computing technology came into existence actually. Are you getting? Cloud computing is not like a legacy system. They are ready-made technologies actually. Cloud means here this, we can say ready-made technologies. Cloud means here this, right? Okay. Cloud means here this, we can say that it is a remote service, we can say. Okay. You may have the softwares which is already inbuilt. You may have the platforms or the servers. Are you getting that you are going to ready-made store in the remote servers? Okay, the vendor is the owner for the remote servers. They are going to store the software which are ready-made, platforms which are ready-made, and the servers which are ready-made. Okay, in that cloud computing. Cloud computing is your man. Okay, if they have the software, if they have the platform, if they have the networking, if they have the databases there, if they have any analytics, are you getting? Or if they have any intelligence, but they all are delivered through internet. Okay, they all are delivered through internet. That is nothing but the cloud computing. And simply we can define that. We can define this cloud computing. Okay, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services. Okay, are you getting? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services there. What are the computing services? We can say softwares, we can say it. Okay, servers, we can say it. Storage, we can say it. Database, we can say it here this. Or networking, we can say it. Many things are there here. Okay, all are, please mute. Are you getting? All can be delivered. All can be delivered through internet. Through internet or over the internet. That is nothing but the cloud computing. It is not like a legacy systems. Are you getting? Final word. Final, I'm going to say it here. This cloud computing means, okay, if we have any softwares which is ready-made, if you have any storage area which is ready-made, or database which is ready-made, networking which is ready-made, are you getting it? Analytics which are ready-made here. Okay, they all are stored in the remote servers. Are you getting? Remote servers? From that remote servers, they are going to deliver to the clients. They're going to deliver to the customers through internet or over the internet. It is nothing but here is cloud computing technologies there. They are not like a legacy systems. They are not like a legacy system. I will look at here, man. Suppose we can say it here, we have the vendor like this, or we can say the owner. Are you getting? Okay, we can say it. And he is the owner for one software. I'm saying one example. You can take any example of softwares, other servers, other networking. You can take it here. He is the owner for this. What I can say, the software. And if it is already ready-made, it is already existed. Okay, they're going to set up the software in the remote servers like this. Remote servers like this. Are you getting? You can say it is a software. Yes. Or you can take it here as any servers, or you can say that any platform there. Okay, are you getting? They're going to set up in the, look at here this remote server like this. Okay, or you can say they're going to set up like this. From this cloud, okay, from this remote server, they're going to deliver to the multiple clients. If the clients are there like this, if these all of the clients it is, okay, because all these clients are willing to start their business with the commonly available softwares, with the commonly available servers, with the commonly available platforms there, all are willing to start here this. Are you getting it now? So that here from this cloud through internet, they are going to deliver, okay, these softwares or the platforms, okay, or the servers to the multiple clients, so that they can start their business process, they can start their business implementations. That is nothing but the cloud computing. Two keywords we need to understand from this cloud computing there. Okay, why nowadays the cloud computing is most popular? Okay, of course, some companies are using legacy systems also there. Okay, but nowadays cloud is very much popular there here. Everywhere cloud is there. Everywhere cloud existed. Okay, now we'll see the two keywords you need to understand from this. What are the two keywords? The first keyword is there, man. Okay, on premise, and the second keyword is there, on demand. These two things that we need to understand. If you understand these two, so that it is very easy to understand cloud computing. Okay, for example, I can say it, remove this. Look at when I'm a owner for the software. Look at here this, I'm a owner. I'm a owner for, I can say, for the name of the software here, you can say I'm a owner for MS Office. Okay, I'm saying about this on premise, and I have some customers. As a owner of the software, I have some customers. Some customers are using the desktops like this. It's the desktop. Okay, and some customers are there. They're using the laptops. Correct? There is the laptops here. This, and as a owner, okay, I'm going to deliver my software. I'm going to provide my software to them. If they pay $50 per year, are you getting? And I'm going to provide my software to them so that they can download. Are you getting or not? They can download and they can install my software. Both the device customers, we can say that. Okay, I can give the access so that they can download, they can install, they can use my MS Office. But I have some other customers are there. Are you getting, who are using the mobile devices? I have some other customers are there. They're using the tablets. But look at when. Okay, if you come to this, laptop devices, are you getting, and we can desktop devices that they have the Windows operating system actually. Okay, they have the right Windows operating system there here. Windows OS is there. That's the reason they can download, they can install it here. This, okay, that process will happen here in the desktops and the laptops. Okay, but if you come to other devices there, okay, as a owner of the software, I'm unable to satisfy these customers because they cannot download my software and they cannot install it here this, and they don't have the Windows operating system even. Okay, as a owner of the software, I'm not going to satisfy the every device customer. Okay, I'm not going to satisfy the every device customer there here. If I'm unable to satisfy the every device customer, right, that will comes under the concept of on-premise. On-premise means within the premises, within the local, we can say it here. Are you getting a note? But if you come to the on-demand, I will change. Okay, here, look at here. I'm taking another software here. This the name of the software is there. We can say Gmail. Best option, we can say that is Gmail. Are you getting? And we can say it here. This every customer is having like they're having the internet and basic browser there here. This internet and basic browsers, or we can say the browsers. We can say browsers. Okay, you can say it here. This they are also having the internet and browsers here. Look at one. Okay, as a owner of this Gmail software, okay, if they have the internet and the browsers, okay, irrespective of their operating systems, I can directly deliver my software to this device customer. I can deliver my software to these device customers. I can deliver my software directly to these device customers, and I can deliver my software directly to these device customers. Okay, without targeting, without any installations and any downloads and installations, I'm going to deliver it. Okay, look at here. As a owner of the software, I'm going to satisfy the every device customer. Okay, I'm satisfying this device customer here. Are you getting? And I'm satisfying this device customer. Are you getting? I'm satisfying this device customer, and I'm satisfying this device customer, and I'm satisfying this device customer. Right? If I'm going to satisfy every device customer there, and that will comes under the on demand. On demand. Now the cloud computing technology is coming comes under this on demand. Okay, actually you can say that if anyone asks you the question, what is the cloud computing means? Cloud computing is the on demand technology. Okay, on demand technology or the cloud computing is the delivery of computing services there. Okay, like we can say that okay, servers, storages, database, networking, softwares, analytics, intelligence, okay, over the internet or through internet. That is nothing but the cloud computing technologies there. Got it? In the same manner, we can say if you understand this mean, okay, it's very easy to understand Salesforce. Did you understand up to this the cloud computing? Hello, everyone is getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will see it here once. Okay, what is the meaning of the Salesforce? Okay, we have seen already the cloud computing technology there here. If any technology is there, we can say that that may be software which is ready-made, that may be a server which is ready-made, that may be any networking which is ready-made there. Just they are going to deliver through internet from the remote server to the clients. Okay, from the remote server to the clients, that is nothing but the cloud computing technologies here. Okay, Java is there, we can say .NET is there. Are you getting? All will come out of the legacy systems or legacy technologies, we can say that. Are you getting or not? And if you come to the cloud computing, many are there. We can say Gmail, or we can say Facebook, or we can say some other cloud applications are there. Many applications are there. Are you getting? So all will comes out of the cloud computing technology. Salesforce is there, AWS is there, DevOps is there. See here for all the technologies, no owner. Are you getting in? Not the vendor, the owner who are there. They are controlling all these technologies, and they have set up these softwares, these technologies already in the cloud. Okay, just their work is just they are delivering these softwares to the clients, those who are willing to use it. Okay, those who are having the business need are getting for them, the vendors are going to deliver those. That is nothing but the cloud computing. Okay, man, we'll see the Salesforce. Before we start this Salesforce, man, I will explain one use case there. Means one example. we have the clients. You can take any client name. Okay. Let me take one of the client here. What we can say, we have a client like this. Look at one, he's the client. Client name is the Schneider Electric, we can say. Schneider Electric or Sony. Any client you can take it. Okay. And this client is having the business process already. You can say the existing business process already there. Okay, what the client is doing? Client is manufacturing. The Sony client is manufacturing electronic gadgets or mobile devices, laptops, or we can say desktops, or we can say some other LED TVs and LCD TVs, curved TVs, wall TVs. Are you getting or not? Okay, many devices they are manufacturing here every day, and they are doing the business worldwide. They have the customers worldwide in this. Okay, they are the customers worldwide. Are you getting? Let me take some of the customers. We can say it. Who is the customers man? I can say some customers are there. For example, Bajaj Electronics. Are you getting? Bajaj Electronics is one of the customer. You can say. Okay, Bajaj Electronics. Are you getting? Some other customers are there here. Chroma stores. Are you getting? Chroma stores. And some other customers are there. You can say, for example, Sono Vision. Okay. Like examples only I'm telling you here. So all other customers, man, they all are the customers. We can say it here. They all are the customers to this client Sony here. To this client Sony. And the client Sony that they want to interact with these customers. The client Sony that they want to provide a good service to their customers. The client Sony are you getting that they want to chat with their customers. Are you getting? The client Sony that they want to take the feedback from the customers. Are you getting? The client Sony that they want to provide agents to their customers. Agents to their customers. Okay, and the client Sony that they want to provide solutions to their customers' issues. Are you getting? Customer cases, we can say that. Are you getting? Okay, many ways are the client Sony that they want to take feedback from the customers because they have already delivered the products to them. Are you getting or not? So here, how they can interact with their customers? The Sony cannot go door to door with the customers. Are you getting or not? Because they are manufacturing business, they are doing the business somewhere else here. They are manufacturing products somewhere else, and the customers are there in some other countries. But they are doing the business worldwide. How they can interact with them? Yes, definitely they are going to interact with a software. Are you getting? They are going to interact with a ready-made software. The client Sony is going to interact with their customers with a ready-made software. The name of the ready-made software is, okay, man. The name of the ready-made software is SalesForce. What does that mean? We can say SalesForce CRM. Okay, the software will help the client to interact with their customers. Are you getting? And the software will help the client to start the business process with their customers. The software will help, okay, the client to sell these products to their customers. The software will help to the client to provide good service to their customers. Are you getting? Here, Salesforce is a inbuilt technology or inbuilt, or we can say it's a ready-made software there. Salesforce is a ready-made software which is embedded with the CRM solutions. CRM means customer relationship management. And it is also one of the technologies that are actually there. The main mode of the CRM is there to satisfy their customers. It will help them to take the feedback from the customers. It will help them to make the customer as a potential customer in the organization. Are you getting or not? So that is the reason Salesforce software, which contains inbuilt many functionalities there, right? Along these functionalities, CRM is embedded with that. Are you getting? Just like Gmail, just like Facebook, okay, it also contains many inbuilt business functionalities it contains. Of course, Facebook is a social platform, okay, just like Gmail, you can say it here, it contains many inbuilt business function it contains. Along that, CRM is embedded here, so that it will help the client to interact with their customers, to satisfy their customers. to sell the products to the customers, to provide service to the customers. It will help me. Not only, I'm not saying only Sony here. This many clients are there. Okay, are you getting? Some clients are very low level clients are there. Some clients are very startup clients are there. Some clients are very big clients are there. Suitable to all levels of clients, this software is taken into consideration. Are you getting or not? Okay, now we'll start here this from this. Okay, we will come from the beginning of the Salesforce there. Look at here, man. Salesforce.com. I'm saying it here. This. Listen to be careful. Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com is a company actually. Okay, this company is co-founded with Mr. Mark Benioff, and Parker Harris. Are you getting it? These two persons are very important in Salesforce. Are you getting it? Mr. Mark Benioff, he is the CEO of the company currently. Right? Current CEO of the company, Salesforce.com company is Mr. Mark Benioff. Actually, Mr. Mark Benioff is an exemplar of Oracle there, right? And he worked as a chief executive in the Oracle. He came out from the Oracle and he established the company called Salesforce.com in the year 1999. Okay, I think it is about 24 years back it happened there. And after establishing this company, he developed a software. Are you getting? The name of the software is there, Salesforce CM. Are you getting? Salesforce. The name of the inbuilt software. They developed an inbuilt software called Salesforce. Are you getting? And we can say that here we can say that Salesforce. Salesforce CRM. And after establishing this company, okay, they developed the software and they set up it in the cloud like this. Are you getting? Okay. And they have established means they set up the software in the cloud like this. You can say it like this. Not only software men, okay, they set up it here the platforms like Lightning or the Post.com platform. Are you getting? Or the database.com here. Like this software platforms and the servers they set up in the cloud. Got it? From this cloud, okay, they're going to deliver the software to the clients like this. Okay, they're going to deliver the software to the clients like this. That will be software, or that will be platform, or that will be database, but they're going to deliver to the multiple clients like this. See, we cannot expect only this client here. We have the multiple clients that are available here. Multiple clients are there. Are you getting? We can say some other clients are there here, man. You can say Schneider Electric, another client. Schneider Electric. Getting another client. Like this, where the multiple clients are there, many clients are there. All the clients are willing to start a business. All the clients are looking for a commonly available software. All the clients are looking for commonly available software. That commonly available software is nothing but Salesforce CRM. See, if you have the Facebook, or we can say if you have the Gmail, the Gmail software is only one, but that can be used with the millions of customers or millions of users. Here also Salesforce also, it's a common software there. Okay, that can be used with a million, that can be used with many clients. All the clients are looking for commonly available software. That commonly available software is nothing but here Salesforce. That is nothing but Salesforce. Are you getting? Some clients are needed softwares, some clients are needed platforms, some clients are needed servers. Okay, from that a cloud, they're going to deliver those softwares, platforms, and the servers to the clients, those who have the willing to start their business process. That is nothing but the Salesforce, man. That's nothing but Salesforce here. Did you understand the meaning of the Salesforce or not? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you may get a doubt there. Sir, the software is already there in the remote. Okay. It is there in the cloud. It is there in the remote. How they can deliver the software to the clients? Because here the company is there somewhere else. The remote server is somewhere else. The client is in some other country. How they can deliver it? How they can send it to the clients there? They cannot go. Okay, they cannot travel and they cannot provide here this. How they can deliver it here this? Yes, we have some services are available there in Salesforce. Through the services, they're going to deliver the software to the clients. They're going to deliver the platforms to the clients. Okay, they're going to deliver the servers to the clients. They're going to deliver it here. Are you getting? For example, 10 of your friends went to a restaurant. One server will come and serve you there. One steward will come and serve you there here. The same man. Are you getting or not? Now you can see it here. Okay. What are the services we can see? What are the services? Through the service only they can deliver it here. I can say, man, first service itself is there. Okay. SaaS service. SaaS means software as a service, you can say. That's the first service. Through this service, they can deliver the software, Salesforce CRM software to the clients. Are you getting? If they want to deliver platforms there, we have another service called PaaS service. Okay, we can say that as platform as a service, you can say it. Through this service, they can deliver the platforms to the are you getting clients there. And if they want to deliver the storage or databases, are you getting some sort of things they here? If they want to deliver, they can go with another service called IaaS service there here. Okay, IaaS means here infrastructure as a service they can use. Infrastructure as a service. Through this, they can deliver the storage areas or the databases. Okay, through this. Best example you can see. Suppose if the Gmail is delivered to you, okay, and automatically Google Drive is also coming to you, right? What is the meaning of here? This they're delivering, okay, they're delivering the storage areas up to 15 GB data you can store it with free of cost. Okay, apart from this, more than that you want, you can go for paying 100 or 150 rupees per month so that they can increase the capacity of the storage. Okay, the same thing will happen here also then. Okay, if they want to deliver the software platforms and the servers through this cloud, they're going to use this type of services. Okay, and here I said already Salesforce is an inbuilt software that contains many inbuilt business functionalities there, like on the sales, on the services, on the marketing, okay, and on the community side. Are you getting? Or we can say that the latest operations are getting here on the Salesforce, IoTs. Okay, another thing is the financial service cloud. Okay, financial service means wealth management related things. Many products are there in this Salesforce. Are you getting? We can say some of the products we can use it here, man. Look at that. What are those? What are the products available here in Salesforce? Many products are there here. We can say Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud is the one of the product. And the Service Cloud here, another product. And the Marketing Cloud, another product. And the Community Cloud, another product. Or you can say Health Cloud, okay, another product. Are you getting Health Cloud means that comes under doctor and patient interaction there. Sales Cloud means that they want to sell the products to their customers. Okay, the client can use this Sales Cloud implementation, which is available. Okay, Salesforce inside the Salesforce CRM, all are the products. Inside the Salesforce CRM, all of the products, or we can say business models, okay, that can be used by the clients. The client Sony is going to use the Sales Cloud to start a sales implementation in their company to sell their products to the customers. Okay, and if you come to the Snyder can use the service applications, a service cloud implementations, so that already Snyder is provided their products to customers, but their work is that they need to provide a service to their customers. At the time, they can use the Salesforce CRM service cloud. They can take the Salesforce CRM service cloud, they can take it and they can start service operations so that they can satisfy their customers. Okay, that they want to get a good popularity on their product here this, so that they can go with the marketing cloud. Are you getting or not? And they have already, we can say it here this, community cloud there. Okay, we have the partners and the employees are there. They are going to start. They're going to. They are the main assets to implement their business process. They can go the community cloud, and if they want the doctor and patient interactions, they can go the health cloud. Okay, they can go the financial service cloud here. This financial, okay, services cloud here. Are you getting wealth management? Okay, we can say asset management, or we can say wealth management related things that they want, like the banking sectors, or we can say mainly in the banking sectors, in the wealth management. If they want to implement, they can go with the financial service cloud. Now, this see, man, this all of the products over there. They have like platforms also. Their Lightning platform is available here. Okay, and Lightning platform is available here, and not only that, they have the database. Okay, database.com here. Like this, all are the products from the Salesforce that we are going to use it here. Okay, all are the products which are going to use in Salesforce. We can say it, put a heading here. These all are the products in Salesforce. All are the products in Salesforce. Now, one more thing that I would like to say here. You may get a doubt, sir. We understood the Salesforce. That's okay. But the thing is there here, Salesforce is already ready-made software. Yes, that can be used by the client. Okay, I got it. Yes. The clients are going to use because it's a ready-made software that contains already inbuilt business functionality contains. The client can use any other business functionality and they can start their business, they can implement their business process. Good. Okay. But why we need to learn this one? Okay. Why we need to learn this one? Because software is ready-made. Client is willing to start it. Client is willing to take the software and client is willing to start their business process. Good. Up to that. Why? We need to take the training on this. Yes. Yes. I'm coming to that point here. See, man, Salesforce contains many inbuilt functionalities, right? Inbuilt modules, inbuilt functionalities it contains, which contains already the business models there. The client is going to use it. But sometimes the client is getting some unique requirements. Are you getting? Client is getting some unique requirements, man. Try to understand. Client is getting some unique requirements. Okay, those unique requirements. Okay, we have to fulfill. As a developer, as administrator, you are working in the Salesforce as a developer or administrator. Here, as a developer administrator, you are working under this client so that you have to fulfill the unique business requirements. Okay, and you have to satisfy that client here. Is you have to fulfill the unique requirements there here. For that, you are working as a developer or administrator under this client. Okay, that is the purpose of the develop that you're taking the training on this one. So to fulfill the requirements of the clients, to fulfill the unique business requirements of the client, we are going to work as a developer under this client. Are you getting? That's the meaning of development. So you can work as a developer or you can work as an administrator, depends upon the editions, what the client is using. Okay, if they are the low level editions, you are going to work as an administrator because they don't have the customization features. Okay, if the edition is high level, we can say enterprise. Okay, unlimited edition the client is using for the Salesforce. Okay, man. See, man, from these products again we have the different types of editions that are available there. If you come to the Sales Cloud, different types of editions are there. If you come to the Service Cloud, okay, another different types of editions are there. If you come to the Marketing Cloud, again different types of editions are there here. Okay, in those editions, Salesforce, inside the Salesforce, we have the Sales Cloud. Again, inside the Sales Cloud, we have the another editions there, like we can say Enterprise Edition, okay, or Unlimited Edition. That edition is going to be used by this client finally. Okay, if that edition is a very low level edition here, you are going to work as administrator to configure. Are you getting? And if the edition is high level edition, you are going to work as administrator plus developer, okay, to configure plus to customize. You are going to configure the requirements here and you are going to customize those requirements and you are going to fulfill those requirements which are very unique in the organization. Okay, for that you are working as a developer there. Are you getting? Did you understand the meaning of the Salesforce or not? Let me know, frankly. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure, everyone? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone is having any doubts on this to understand the meaning of the Salesforce? Everyone is clear?
Wonderful.
Right.
How
Now,
the cu-
yeah. Tell
what
me.
is the relation between customer and client, sir? Here.
See, two perspectives we need to understand there. See, look at this. I will tell you there. Customer and client. Customer CRM is customer relationship management. Right? Customer relationship management, CRM. See, one of your friend is asking, okay, what's the difference between the customer and the client? The two perspectives you need to understand there is. Look at me. Suppose if we come to the client perspective there, okay, client perspective, the client is providing, for example, I'm saying the client is providing, okay, their products to their customers. Means that this client is selling these products to their customers. Are you getting it? And we have the business to business implementations are there and the business to customer implementations are there. In this perspective, you can say it. Are you getting? The client is the, you can say the Sony is the client. Are you getting? To whom he is selling, to whom they are selling the products. Are you getting? They are the customers. And if you come to the SalesForce.com perspective, I'm saying about only the client perspective. Are you getting? I'm coming here to the SalesForce.com perspective. It's a company actually there here. Are you getting? It's a company. Okay, from this company, they have already software here. Okay, they're going to deliver these softwares to their customers. Here, the client will become the customers in perspective of Salesforce.com. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you getting? Because they all are the customers to the Salesforce.com. Number of clients are there throughout the world. Okay, all are using the Salesforce CRM. Most of the clients are using Salesforce. Okay, so that they will become the customers too. Okay, Salesforce.com. That's why we can say Salesforce is a multi-tenancy architecture, and we can also call it as a tenants. The clients can be called as a tenants to the Salesforce.com because the Salesforce.com is controlling the Salesforce CRM, but it is not controlled by the sales. It is not controlled by any of the client there. Okay, the Salesforce CRM is controlled by the Salesforce.com only there. So that okay, the client Sony or the Snyder or some other clients all will comes under the tenants or they are the customers to their Salesforce.com there. Okay, that's the meaning of this. Okay, client means those who are willing to start. Okay, client means those who are willing to start their business. As a part of their business, they need to sell their products to their customers. That may be any type of product. Okay, so that the customer is taking the customer is taking the products from the client. Are you getting? Customer is taking the products from the client here. This again, if you come to here, the customer perspective there, the customer can again start their business to business, and they can start their business again. They can sell their products to their customers again here, so that they may have the business with the business B2B or the B2C business. They may implement here. This that is nothing but the customer and client. Understand? Clear cut? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will come to another point here. The people may think to learn the Salesforce, they may think here about the Salesforce. The Salesforce is very tough. No, no, not like that. Look at me. If you have the object-oriented programming language, oops, and if you have the ECMAScript, okay, ECMAScript, if you have the ECMAScript, oops, and ECMAScript, Salesforce will become very, very easy. Are you getting? You don't worry. I'm going to teach you both in the Salesforce training there. ECMAScript as well as OOPS. Both I'm going to teach you there in the training there. Okay. OOPS concept will teach you nearly 15 to 20 sessions. I'm going to teach you on the OOPS there. ECMAScript I'm going to teach you here nearly 9 sessions on the ECMAScript. Okay, 9 or 8 or 9 sessions I'm going to teach you on the OOPS, which will help you there here in Salesforce. Okay, and because Salesforce contains the 4 modules actually. First module is there, man. What is the first module? Model number 1, here it is Okay, administration there. That's the first model there, which contains no code. It is totally declarative part. It is totally declarative here this, which is a declarative here this. Getting means non-programmatic, you can say that here. Okay, another model is there with development. Okay, development, we can say it is a coding, we can say code customization contains here this. Code customization it contains here this. Or it is a configuration it contains here this, but here the code customization contains means it's a programmatic actually there. Okay, we are having the programmatic approach in the development. And the third one is then when lightning or we can say lightning component development contains here this. Lightning component development means here when advanced to the SalesForce actually there. It is there since 7 years or 8 years. Okay, lightning component development. Okay, and see why they have taken this lightning component development for the mobile applications. Nowadays, every business is running through mobile only. Are getting if they want a good UI part, if they want a good user interface, if they want look and feel, if they want flexibility to use the mobiles, if they want to open their applications, if they want to open their application the mobile here. Okay, so it's the best compatible with the mobile device there, so that they're using the lightning component. Okay, another thing is also there. Another thing is also there. Okay, this that is nothing but lightning web component. Web lightning web component. So, okay, it is an advanced to again here. Of course, it is depends upon the latest web stacks. Are you getting? Okay, to do this one separately that you want to implement as a developer that you want to implement, we need to use the VS Code for this. Visual Studio Code we need to use there here. Are you getting? So these are the 4 models that we are going to discuss as a part of this training here. Not only that, I'm going to provide here some good assets like daily sessions are recorded here. This okay, those sessions, the recorded sessions I'm going to share through Google Drive every day. Okay, to your Google Drive every day. I'm going to share it here. This whatever the session you are completing, the session is recording. Okay, once the conversation is complete, I'm going to share that record to the record session. That recordings to your Google Drive. Then another thing is there. I'm going to provide the course snippets and the live code. I'm going to do it here. This are you getting? And another thing is instantly that you can ask any doubt in the class. They're not at the end of the class. In middle, you can ask me the doubts there. I'm going to clear it. Okay, that's the thing there. Okay, man. And the people will think only the technical background guys only can crack this as well. Not like that. Any person. Okay, any person. Those who have those they may have the technical knowledge, they may not have the technical knowledge. That's not the thing, but working, practicing every day on Salesforce, okay, with at least minimum 2 hours, 1 or 2 hours working on the Salesforce is a required thing. Are you getting? If you do like that, there is no difference between the technical and non-technical. Anyone, okay, anyone can work on the Salesforce. They may be BCom graduate or BSc graduate. Okay, they may be BA graduate or BTech graduate or MSc MTech graduate. Anyone can work on the Salesforce. Are you getting? No need to think that you are not a technical guy. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
coding is needed, man. Okay, coding is needed because if you come to the administration, no coding. Most of the cases, it is only the declarative part. Means I'm going to use mouse only there. I'm going to use mouse only there. It means we are going to use only mouse only. Here in the development part also mostly we are going to use mouse only there. I told you, some requirements comes here. This if those requirements are very unique, okay, solutions are already given in the Salesforce CRM, but some unique requirements are there. Those solutions are not available in the Salesforce. At the time, as a developer, you are going to fulfill by doing the code customizations. You don't worry, I'm going to teach you there in the sessions how to use those. Okay,
Are
man?
you going? Hello. Are
Yes.
you going to teach marketing cloud also?
See, if you want a marketing cloud, that's definitely a separating model. Okay. If you want, I will give the introduction on the marketing cloud. I'm going to teach you the sales cloud, service cloud. Definitely, I'm going to teach you that here. Okay. Okay. Because you are working as a developer. Okay. But these will come under the business process actually. Are you getting me?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Because I'm thinking to add marketing cloud in my resume for marketing cloud administrator. So for that,
Marketing
I
cloud
need
is,
at least some
yes, I got
basic
it.
knowledge.
Yeah, basic knowledge if you want, I can provide here. That's not a problem. Basic knowledge means I will provide here.
Means not the basic knowledge, because I'm thinking to add at least 1 year of experience in my resume. So at
No,
that time, I need some knowledge in that, right?
Yes, I got it here. I got your perspective. The thing is that here, I'm not going to teach you the marketing cloud. Separately, the model that you want here, this, okay, you have to take the training and the separate training in this marketing. Got it?
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
If you
Okay.
want the sales cloud implementations and the service cloud implementations, are you getting a note? The community cloud implementations there. Okay. Those you can see they are having the marketing cloud is on the separate training on it. And the financial service cloud is also having the separate training on it.
Oh, if you don't mind, can I ask you one more question? You
Yes.
told that there is separate for marketing cloud, right?
Yes,
Are
yes,
you
yes.
guys, the institute is going to teach for marketing cloud also? Do you have any knowledge
Yes,
on it?
we can ask. Yes, yes.
Oh,
Available.
okay.
It is available there. Okay.
Oh,
We can ask
okay.
their reference there so that they can contact you. Got it?
Oh, okay. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Okay. Did you understand everyone? The demo on Salesforce or not? Let me know. Speed up. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Any other
Understood.
people? Those who do not have means those who are not having means those who do not understand this Salesforce demo. Everyone is good with this? Okay. Everyone is good or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you can see it, man. In the next session, in tomorrow's session, we can see how to create, okay, and some of the features, and how to create a Salesforce developer account and their features, and those things we will discuss in the next session there. Okay, very important things we will discuss in the next session there. And I'm going to share you the screenshot in the chat box. Download it and use it. Okay, download it and use it here. This I shared in the chat box there. Check with your chat box. First, try to learn Salesforce. After that, if you want, you can enter into the marketing cloud. Okay, see, if you learn the marketing cloud also there, you must learn here this administration, development, lighting, those things are needed here. These are the business implementation that we are going to use it. That implements we are going to implement that we are going to implement through this Salesforce. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye bye. See you. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
The last one doubt.
Yes, tell me.
After learning 4 modules of the Salesforce, we are going to work to any of these product, right? In Salesforce, it could be service, it could be market, right?
Yeah, I'm going to teach you the sales cloud. I'm going to teach you there. Service cloud. I'm going to teach you there. Right?
So for that, we need to learn these 4 modules, right?
No, no, no. You don't need to learn all the models. Depends on the client requirement. If the client is working on the sales cloud, okay, that you need to work. Sales cloud is a business process only there. But as a technical guy, you are going to work on this. Okay, you need to understand what the business is running in the organization. For that purpose, you are going to learn these things. Are you getting?
Okay, correct.
It is a business process. It is a business process. If you have the good business process there here, knowledge and the good business process there, so that it is very easy to implement. Okay, that you want to write any coding, that you want to understand the things there, it will become easy here. Okay, they are doing the business on the sales cloud, but you are working as a developer in the organization. Got it or not?
Yes, got it.
Okay. Okay, guys. Bye bye. See you. Yes.